Hello children, good at one and all. Welcome back. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic, classification part 2 from 7th standard. So everyone we observe, you would have observed the what means is a following observations. After the rainfall we have to see the what means a one umbrella like structure are grown in everywhere. We call the word is mushrooms. Like a blue, green, patches are seen on the surface of the rotting oranges. Like a greyish white, patches are seen on the stale bread and pickles, and then is a jams. Like we have to see the what means a green color, powdery patches are seen during the rainy season on the turd, shoes, a powder like structure. All these patches are commonly known as nothing but is a different kinds of fungi. Let us now we have to see the what means a all the fungi are belongs to the kingdom fungi. We already learned that is a R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker in 1969, he classified the world as a 5 kingdoms, namely 5 kingdom classification proposed by R.H. Whittaker, namely kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Let us we have to go for the what means is a kingdom fungi. All the fungi are belongs to the kingdom is called fungi. The fungi are mostly is a what means is a found in everywhere. That fungi are there is no any chlorophyll pigment, that is called non-green, lack of chlorophyll pigment, lack of chlorophyll pigment. So they are eukaryotic. What is mean by eukaryotic? Eu means 2 nucleus bearing cells, that is called, if you have to say the any cell, it has a what means a well defined nucleus, that is called the what is 2 nucleus bearing cells. The fungi may be unicellular. In case of the what means is a unicellular fungus is called yeast, that is called yeast. Multicellular fungi is a penicillium, rhizobus, mushroom, all are called the what is multicellular fungi. All the plant body of the fungi are made up of very minute, a long, thin, slender, this structure, that is called thin, slender like structures. These structures are a public structures. These structures are called hypae. This is we call the word is hypae. In singular hypa, in singular we call the word is hypa. These hypae are a further joining together to form a long much structures. That structures are called the word is mycelium. Mycelium. This mycelium in plural form is called mycelia. Right. Next we see the what means all the fungi, the plant body, their body is made up of outermost covering. Outermost covering is called cell wall. This cell wall is, the cell wall of the fungi is made up of one substance, that is we call the word is chitin. This is one of the neat question. Fungal cell body, that is a cell wall is made up of a substance is called chitin. This is a chitin. Okay. Next, the fungi are stored the reserve form of the food material. That food material we call it as glycogen. The glycogen is a reserve food material. This is one of the need based questions. Need based questions. Right, that is called a glycogen is a reserve form of the food material in case of the fungi. What are the example for the fungi? Fungi includes yeast, rhizobus, mushroom, and then is a common mold. The common mold. We see the what means next. This is a commonly we have to observe the what means a fungi. The fungi is a multicellular structure which are grown in everywhere. That is a fungi are edible in purpose, eating. some of the fungi is not a edible purpose because they are a very highly toxic to the what means a human. It is even it leads to the what means a die if it is consumed. The next we go for the unicellular fungus. That is a unicellular fungus. Now that is called this is a commonly we call the word is Saxaro. That name is called a scientific name Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is a scientific name of the is a unicellular fungus is called yeast. That yeast is a almost what shaped means is a spherical in shape. Some cases it may be a oval in shape. Some will be a rod shaped structure. Now we have to take the what means structure of the yeast under the microscope. We have to view. They shows the what means a following characters. That is called following structures. One is outermost covering. This is a outermost covering. The outermost covering is called a cell wall. Below the cell wall it has a what means a cell membrane. Within the cell membrane it has a cover the what means the entire structure we call the what is cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm which contains various organelle, that is called one of the spherical like structure is called nucleus, the nucleus. The next is various food materials are stored and present within the cytoplasm. Food storage granules are present in the cytoplasm. This is a food storage granules. This structure is a mainly the yeast is a Saccharomyces where the sugars are occur. That is a yeast is a almost is a found. That's why the yeast is called the word is sugar fungi. Sugar fungi. This fungi is a mostly which are used for one purpose mainly. What is the purpose they are used means this is called the word is mainly this is a fermentation. What is mean by fermentation? Fermentation means anaerobic respiration. Now sugars present in the especially for the sugars in rice and barley which are by adding of the what means a yeast which converted into make the beer. So that is if the sugars present in grapes, this is a by adding of the yeast fermented to make the what means is a wine. So they are used in mostly in the brewing industries. That's why yeast is known as commonly we call the word is brewer's yeast. Brewer's yeast. That is we call the word is brewer's yeast. Even some cases the same yeast is also used in bakery industries. That is called a raw duff. What is mean by duff? This is nothing but is a roti maav. We adding of the what means a yeast which fermented to production of the what means a much bubbles of the what means a production of carbon dioxide. This make the bread is very soft and porous and thin and very very delicious. This is called the word is bakery industries. Bakery industries. So this is we call the word is mainly the bakery industries we are to using. This is a bakery industries we are using the what means this structure mainly for. Now bakery, that's why the yeast is also called a baker's yeast. Baker's yeast. Now the yeast is a very much useful to us. The yeast is used mainly to reproduce both the method asexual method by means of budding. Asexual means by means of budding. Sexual reproduction also is represented. Okay, right. Next we go for the what means next part. Now we have to see the what means is some of the multicellular fungus, especially very important name of the mold is called Penicillium notatum. This is one of the fungus. This fungi which extract the what means some chemical, which have to extract the what means some chemical. The name of the chemical is called a drug. This is called queen of drug. Queen of drug. This drug is used for to cure the what means disease. That is called antibiotic. Antibiotic. That antibiotic is a first, that is a penicillin, first antibiotic, a discoverer of, that is a Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming in 1928, he discovered the what means is a penicillin. It's a white color injection doctors are give. That is called, what is mean by antibiotic? A chemical which used to kill or stop the growth of the certain kinds of microbes are called the word is antibiotic. This antibiotic is comes from two Greek words which means against life. That is we call the word is against life. That is a meaning. Okay, right. Next we go for the what means next part. One of the what means is a penicillium. The structures are showing the what means this is gonidiophores vegetative hyphae. Hyphae means a plant body. That is a gonidiospores are producing. They are a form the what means a gonidiums are there and palliolites, that is called which are present in the what means a much structures. This is a entire structure of the what means a penicillium is a very useful fungi to us. From this lesson we will learn the what means mainly for what is the how the fungi are useful to us in our day to day life we learnt. Now end of this video session I have enclosed the what means that is a study material, that is a some of the sample questions with the answers are attached. The study materials are attached and question banks are attached. So that is a very much useful in our competitive examination point of view, and NEET oriented questions will be added. That is a chitin, glycogen, everything we have to learn from these sessions. Thank you children.